In this video we will be discussing how to create a true or false question. First, go to the content bank and locate the Add button. When you have done so, locate the question type box and select the True, False option. You will now be able to enter the title as well as the question or statement in the text box. To select whether the question is true or false, choose one of the options underneath, Correct Answer. The last of the available settings are the behavioral settings. These settings allow you to change whether you want the taker to have access to a retry button, a show results button, or randomized questions. After creating the question and customizing it to your preferences, click the Save option. You will have now successfully created a true or false question. However, do note that when creating this type of question in the quiz question set activity type, the configuration process is exactly the same.